Hey, Dr. Joe here. Welcome back. So today we are talking about what is insurance and why is it important. So one of the main reasons why we have this channel is to keep things simple so that everyone can be empowered with the right knowledge to make the right choices. So for that purpose, let's keep things simple here. Let's take a simple illustration. Let's assume that as we walk through our lifetime, we have a big box that we carry everywhere with us. And in that big box, we'll be able to pick the tools to face situations as they come to us. So let's take a simple example here. Let's assume that you want to pay your utility bills, you want to do some shopping. So you can get to your box and pull your debit card. Another example is maybe it's a morning and you're about to go to your office or you're about to go do some shopping. Guess what? You need to pick your pair of shoes to protect your feet, or maybe it's just about fashion, you want to look good. Now, coming back to insurance, you also want to have in that big box a certain number of insurance policies. But for the sake of simplicity, today we are not talking about the type of insurances. We'll keep that discussion for another day. So let's just say in general, you want to have insurance in that box. So insurance is just going to be another tool that you pick out of that box to decrease the financial burden of an unexpected event or a damage, assuming that that damage or loss are covered by the type of insurance that you have. Now, one very important thing that you have to understand is that insurance is a legal contract between an insurance company and a policy owner. And the policy owner, in some cases, might be the insured or not. It's a contract in which the policy owner agrees to pay premiums according to a specific schedule in return for the protection or the coverage for specified damage or loss. Now, because life happens, in the event one of the qualified damage or loss occur, the policy owner has the right to file a claim. And in general, once the claim is filed, the expectation will be to receive some check in your mailbox, some cash in your bank account, or the insurance company can just take care of the repair. For instance, if your car is involved in an accident, the insurance company can just take care of the repair and just restore your car back to you. Now, one very important thing to keep in mind is that in general, the non-payment of premiums according to the agreed schedule from the insurance contract might lead to the policy being cancelled. Now, the reason why I'm saying might is because, as we will see in future videos, depending on the type of insurance coverage that you have, there might be some cases in which you can go a long time without paying premiums, without risking of losing your coverage. Now, let's talk about why it's important to have insurance. There are multiple reasons, but to keep it simple, I will just try to bring it to 4 reasons. So the first one is financial protection. So if you think about it, insurance is going to be a good safety net. It's going to be that thing that protects you from bearing the full financial burden on an unexpected incident. Now, as a follow-up, the next reason why you want to have insurance is for risk management. Life is full of surprises. Some are good, some are not that good. Life is full of uncertainties and risk. So having an insurance coverage allows you to transfer that risk to an insurance company. And if you think about that, you will pay a fairly small premium in return for a much larger expense from your insurance company in the event of a qualified incident. Now, another very important reason why you want to have insurance is for the protection of your assets. Having an insurance can be the difference between you spending a lot of money and the insurance taking care of fixing your roof, fixing your car, or fixing or replacing any other asset in the event of an unexpected incident. Now, the last reason why it's important to have insurance in my set of 4 reasons will be for my business owners. If you think about that, running a business is a very challenging task. And the last thing that you want is to have some specific event that can lead to bankruptcy. Things like property damage, employee injuries, and so on and so forth. So now let me share with you a personal example of how insurance helped me protect my assets. Now there is a debate on whether your car is an asset or not, we're not going to go into that. But one morning I woke up to my car being vandalized. So I believe the people that came to my car, they wanted to steal it, so they broke windows, they tampered with the ignition system, and so on and so forth. To make the story short, the repair was estimated to be $6,654. Because I had a proper coverage for my car, I ended up paying for my deductible and for a specific replacement that was not fully covered by my insurance. So I ended up paying $1,125, and my insurance company covered $5,531. And guess what? My car was fixed and looked brand new. So the purpose of this example is to show how having insurance prevented me or protected me from bearing the full financial burden of this unexpected event. Now, in the future videos, we will focus a little bit more on life insurance, and we will address the various topics and try to keep things simple. But for now, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. You can also go into the description if you want to talk with me for in a private setup, and go to my calendar, book an appointment, and I will gladly meet with you. Stay safe.